అండ్ ఇవాళ సెషన్లో మనం 2-port నెట్వర్క్ గురించి మాట్లాడతాం. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ 2-port. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ 2-port నెట్వర్క్ అవ్వాలి అంటే ఏవే కండిషన్స్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలో చూద్దాం. ద 2-port నెట్వర్క్ ఇట్ షుడ్ హ్యాస్ ద 2 pairs of terminals. Okay, and it has the 4 variables. Those are V1, I1, V2, I2. Okay, means the each terminal having the one variable. Okay, so another thing is it should have linear, passive, bilateral elements. Okay, it may have, there is another condition, it may have LNC storage elements, but at initial conditions those are zeros. Okay, so how we represent the 2-port network currently? This is how we represent the 2-port network. Okay, 2 terminals at one side, another one is a black box. Okay, so here it is another side. Here we have V1 and V2, and in 2-port network the positive polarity we took as a reference for the current direction. Okay, so in the both sides the positive polarity is the reference for the current direction. Okay, and the 2-port network should satisfy the symmetry condition. The symmetry condition means the ratio of excitations, okay, the ratio of excitations and response at both ports should be independently equal with defined circuit condition. Okay, either it is a open circuit or short circuit. The ratio of excitation is equals to the response at both the ports. Okay, this is the symmetry condition for the 2-port network, and we'll see the parameters what we get from the 2-port network. Okay, this is a very important topic. This is a small topic, but almost we covered the 4 marks from this topic. Okay, now from 2-port network we can able to get the 4 parameters. Okay, one is the Z parameter, another one is the Y parameter, another one is the H parameter, and another one is the ABCD parameters. Okay, we'll see the independent variables and dependent variables in these 4 parameters. Okay, in first Z parameters, V1 and V2 are dependent variables, and I1 and I2 are the independent variables. Okay, so what are the formulas for the Z parameters? Means V1 is equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, and V2 is equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Okay, we'll see the symmetry condition. Symmetry condition means Z11 is equals to Z22, and reciprocal condition means Z12 is equals to Z21. Okay, so coming to Y parameters, here I1 and I2 are dependent and V1 and V2 are independent. Okay, so here the formulas are I1 is equals to Y11 V1 Y12 V2, and I2 is equals to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Here the symmetry condition means Y11 is equals to Y22. Reciprocal condition is equals to Y12 is equals to Y2. Okay, and coming to the H parameters, here V1 and I2 are the dependent parameters. Okay, so V2 and I1 are the independent parameters. Okay, so formula ఏంటి అని అంటే V1 is equals to H11 I1 plus H12 into V2. Okay, so I2 is equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Okay, here what is the symmetry condition means H11 H22 minus H12 H21 is equals to 1. This is the symmetry condition. What is the reciprocal condition means H12 is equals to minus H21. This is the reciprocal condition. And coming to ABCD parameters, these are the most important parameters. Okay, so V1 I1 are the dependent parameters, V2 I2 are the independent parameters. V1 is equals to A V V2 plus B I2, and and I1 is equals to CV2 plus DI2. Okay. So here, what is the symmetric condition means? A is equals to D. What is the reciprocal condition? Reciprocal condition means AD minus BC is equals to 1. Okay. Here, those are the very important. Okay. So exam lo ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ వేరియబుల్స్ మీద ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ మీద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకేనా? సో ఇంకొక థింగ్ ఏంటంటే వీటికి ఈ పారామీటర్స్ కి అనదర్ నేమ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. Z పారామీటర్స్ ని ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ పారామీటర్స్ అంటారు అండ్ ఇంపిడెన్స్ పారామీటర్స్ అంటారు. And coming to Y parameters, those are called as short circuit or admittance parameters. And H parameters they call as a hybrid parameters. Okay. So okay, these are the different parameters and their variables and different names and symmetric conditions and reciprocal conditions. Okay. These parameters are very important for the exam. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you.